kindergarten, I have a great book. Today's book is called Get In, and you can tell it's a kid pool, and lots of things are going to get in this pool. I think there's going to be a surprise ending. You're going to find this in the Level C books, and I really don't think I have a lot of coaching to do with this book with you, but let's just take at it. So it's going to ask a question. I can tell that because there's a question mark, and it says, can the boy get in? Yes, he can. And there's always a little clue right here who's coming next, so it kind of gets your schema thinking before you turn the page about who might want to get in the pool. Remember, schema is all the things you know about swimming pools. All right. Oh, there we got a girl, right? And here's our girl word, girl. Okay. Let's see. Stretch that one out. Yes, that's right. Now this is a big word. And there's a little chunk, man. Woman, get in the pool. There's a surprise character. And another surprise character. Sammy. There is a really big surprise character right there, huh? Pig. I don't want a pig. Now, are you checking the picture out? Because I don't want to ruin the surprise for you by turning the next page. Guys, in this book, I don't have one single word I think I need to coach you with. I think you're good to go on this one without any help. So go ahead and read Get In, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Bye.